What's up, traders? I keep reading that the market is crashing, and they're right. The market is down bigly today, but that's not the whole picture. And people need to know what's actually going on because that's going to let you know how to react accordingly. The big losers are, of course, the tech plays, the crypto plays, the high volatility stuff. That's the stuff that's getting hit the hardest, but not everything is down today. What's going on right now is a sector rotation. And I've talked about this before, but what's going on right now is very, very clear. If you just look at the different index ETFs for sectors, I've got them up here on the right hand side. So if we look today, the things that are actually not down, things that are actually up on the day, are utilities, energy, and consumer staples. And this is a very, very specific thing to be happening within the sector rotation model, which I'm going to look at here right now and explain it because you need to know this so that you can understand what's going on. I mean, there's a lot of winners out there today in these sectors. It's a flight to value, it's risk off, and people are getting out of the volatile plays and trying to hide out in low volatility, dividend paying types of assets. And so let's take a look at the sector rotation model first to explain what I'm talking about and what this is indicative of. So if you look right here, this chart is the model. It's the business cycle in the blue line and the market cycle in the orange. And I'll try to explain this because sometimes people get a little confused by it. So we're just going to focus on the orange right now because that's what we care about. We only care about the market, what it's doing. And so ideally, what you have in a market bottom, like when you're coming out of a recession, is the high risk plays, the high volatile plays like technology and consumer discretionary luxury goods are what lead you out of it. And tech has been basically leading for many, many years now. It led us out of the 2021 bear market, and that's what's been doing very well up for the last 2 years. But here we see, if you recall, the things that are leading now are utilities, energy, and consumer staples. And they're right here: energy, consumer staples, and healthcare. And so if we look at the model, we had a bull market, and then somewhere around the model's market top, what you start to see as the market starts to roll over is energy, consumer staples, and healthcare begin to lead. And that's exactly what we've been seeing throughout this entire move down. This move down, for me, most people are starting to call it now, but for me, it started on February the 27th when price got out of the cloud. But we're not going to talk too much about technicals here. It's just about the sector rotation. Here's another way to look at what is going on. So we go to stockcharts.com. That's where I pull a lot of this information from. We can do a comparison of relative performances versus the broader S&P 500. And again, this is over the last 25 days, basically from February into this week. It's about 5 weeks, last month plus. We can see that staples, energy, and healthcare are starting to lead. And so if we pull back up our sector rotation and kind of put them right there in line, we can see very clearly that this is showing us that the market is in a state of sector rotation. Now, that means that, or implies that the market could be turning over. So while it's true the market is crashing, so to speak, to make headlines, the more nuanced thing to understand is that not everything is getting hurt. And it also means that it's not really that bad. Like we don't have a major event, major black swan event going on right now. It's really just the money is flowing from high risk plays into lower risk plays as the market perceives it. And so I think that should help people kind of understand what is going on, where the money is flowing. And there's a lot of opportunities out there. I just last week or two, some of the things that I've looked at, boring stuff like Dollar General. I mean, look at stocks like that, candy companies, Hershey's and Mondelez. These things that a lot of people just had written off as dead have been really doing very well. That being said, on the technical side, I'm going to be watching the SPY here at 561 this week. I think it's going to be really important that it has to hold this support broadly. But there's plenty of opportunities out there. And if you or if one thinks that the market is going to go for a nosedive even further, don't just panic. Don't just you know, run around with your head cut off. Look for opportunity in the sectors that are implied by the sector rotation. In other words, be looking at the dividend paying stuff, the boring stuff, consumer staples, healthcare, utilities, financials, real estate, as this thing starts to kind of progress into the potential bear market. So, hope that helps you guys make some wise decisions.